Okay. Oops. Okay. I'm finishing this material design 3 component library. Basically there. I'm busy now with standard layouts. So like navigation rails, if it's in a desktop view, and then nav bar with a top app bar in a mobile view. Yeah, I mean, okay, so what is next? Well, let's just commit what I have, because I also made a few small refactors, but mainly this was now the root layout. Just want to see how the sound is coming through. Okay. I'm just gonna turn the sound off quick. Okay, well, sound quality is much better with this mic than with my built-in Mac microphone. So quite happy with this setup. I did see I am forgetting to share my screen as the absolute rookie I am. Okay. So this is the second time I'm streaming, and just to tell anyone who hasn't watched the first one, the purpose is me just focusing a bit more on exactly what I want to do, based on an observation that when I work with people on a call sharing my screen, I tend to be more focused. It's not something I'll do always, but if there's times where I really need to not continuously iterate on a design and just do what I have in mind at that point in time, then I think this is quite useful. Okay, so next is the list detail view that I want to implement, and then that will be it. And then it's just about publishing to NPM, maybe cleaning up some of these examples, and potentially even hosting it under github.io, so people can reference it. And I'd like to then have the code for each component next to it, or like at least in a pop-up menu or dialog, so someone can see how to use that. Okay. Let's go. List detail view. Where was this? I think there's a layout section here somewhere. Styles, no. Foundations are layout. Canonical layouts, that's the one. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I care about. Quite useful both on mobile and desktop. On desktop, then obviously this is what you'll see, where on mobile, if you haven't select anything, you'll only see the left, but then as soon as you select, you'll only see the right with a back button. So I think it's quite a nice layout. Okay, I have implemented this in my previous version of this package, so I might just copy that code as a starting point. Although I must say, the lessons I've learned so far might make it slower to just change that code. So let us rather and also there in the list, I assumed in the list detail view that you'd always want cards, but sometimes you'd rather just want listed items or whatever else. So I'm not going to put any limitations on what you want to put in here. In essence, it's literally just going to be a split with some ratio that you can configure as a property. And I'll just hide this quick. Yeah. A split. But then the left side. Okay. It's going to be a split, and you're going to give the href for the left side, which means based on that we can then do a hide either the left or the right. If it's on mobile, based on are you on this href or not. And you'd always want to be able to go back. So we'll have a back button and then the rest of this like app, top app bar, I guess. I think it'll literally be a back button and then a snippet that you can put in here, whatever you want. The detail title bar, I guess I'll call it. And then the detail. So there'll be a details snippet, and there'll be a details header snippet. And then there'll be a list snippet. Yeah, that's good. Let's do it. Okay. Oops, collapse all. Hey, where's my... Maybe it's just while I'm typing. I'm looking for my keyboard, whatever I'm typing, to pop up. No, it's not. Let's do toggle screencast mode. There we go. Okay. Okay, I want to go to Where did I put the other thing? Root layout. Feels like it should have been in here. These are more just flex and grid. Columns and rows, basically. Yeah, okay. I'll move them. So this... I'll delete it there. But you know what? Not a good idea. Reason being, I don't get the auto refactoring if I do it that way. But it doesn't look like this auto refactored anything. Let's see, didn't. Okay, this is now just layout. Okay. List detail layout. And as always, I'll start in the module script portion with the props. If I can actually type today. List details, layout, props. Okay, you're gonna give me. I'm actually thinking of splitting this. Yeah. Do this. Oh, what's behind here? Oh, okay. Okay, now I've got the docs here on the right. And then here's my app. I'm going to unpin it. Okay. I also want to stop building for desktop first and then trying to accommodate my app for mobile. I'm going to take the Tailwind guidelines and build for mobile first. So I'm always going to have it like this, and then at the end I might go, okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, anyways. Okay, so list detail view. I want 2, 3 snippets and the href. So you must give me an href. You must give me a list snippet. You must give me a details snippet. And you must give me a details heading. Oh, no, this will be optional. Okay. I realized with the root layout I forgot to allow someone to pass in a class to override the styles, because that's a pattern I'm following where with Tailwind merge then you can override the classes. This one is a bit of a tricky, the layouts are tricky because it's not just one component. Yeah, for now I'm not going to do anything there then. Okay, same here, I think. What I would allow is width, well, like basically the ratio with ratio. So I guess quarter, 2/3, half, yeah, quarter, half, quarter, third. This is now, so basically the ratio, how big will the left side be, okay? Half. I also want 1/5 and 2/5. 2/5 is bigger than 1/3. And 1/5 is smaller than a quarter. Optional, we'll have some defaults. Okay. So now okay, and then I'll do a let list with class equal derived. No man. Derived by. Okay. Switch. Ratio. Okay, let's see if Copilot can finish this for me. What? Yeah, third is a good default, I guess. Or do we want to go half? I quite like 2/5. Okay. Okay, and then now the actual thing. Okay, it's going to be a row. Full width. Hey. And in that row, we will have the list snippet. And that will be in a column. I don't know why it's not auto-completing my columns. It's the weirdest thing. Okay. This will be list with class. And in that, we're going to render whatever the user gives. Or the developer. At render p.list. And then let's render the, and another call. Again, no, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, now we render the, well, the details heading will go into a row. Okay, so render p.details. Well, okay, we're first going to have our back button here. And then we're also going to immediately after that have our, if it's provided. So if you provide me with a details heading, then I will render that. Okay, and then the rest. And this row will have a fixed height. I guess we'll use the same as the top apple. Was that a bit much? That is a bit much. Maybe we'll just do an H fit. Yeah, I think so. Which is anyways the default, so no need to do anything. And then finally a column with your details. Render the details. This will have to be full width. You know what? I forgot I've got these containers that I built, and they are actually columns. Where are they? Here's my container. So I think both this and this, I'd rather use containers. Okay. Okay, let's use this somewhere, start seeing how it would look. I guess I'm just going to replace all of this for now. Although I do want, yes, okay, no, let's do this. And what I want is, actually, let's use the svelte files to help us out. Oh, come on, what are you doing? Oh, did it actually delete? Yeah, I did. New layout, TS. Sorry, not layout TS, a new layout svelte. Just where we are, thank you. Okay, and let's just add this additional export list details layout. Layout. Okay, now here, list details layout. Okay. Why is it not complaining about anything? This thing should be complaining that there's missing children. Interesting. Okay, maybe it just does that for a children's snippet. Okay, so we need to accommodate for that. Ugh. Mm. No, no. Else. And also here. Oh, sorry, that one's fine here. If we have host, then that's fine. Otherwise, we shot at you. Nice. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, first things. This must be column full. This container, yeah. Its width must be full. Oh, interesting. It does not have that as an option at this point. I guess you give a class, but full boolean. Okay, getting there. Now we just need some margins and padding and things. So this row will need some padding. It'll be nice if we can get the exact measurements. Not too critical. Although I remember seeing this and thinking that's way too big. Okay, now we're gonna go on feel here. Padding 4, that's good. Actually, I'm going to do padding 2 and a medium screen padding 4. Wanting some space, yeah. Cool. And then, why does this color look so different today? We also want a little gap to and a big screen gap 4. Yeah, that's good. I mean, this is going to be, look, I'm happy with that. Okay. Do we want to consider 3? Looks quite big, eh? think this is better. This unchecked runtime, I don't understand yet. Okay. Two-fifths is looking a bit small now. That's 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's maybe do. Is this even 2/5? Ratio. Why is this not giving me any suggestions? That's so weird. This is very weird. Oh, sorry. That's some single tag. I know, it's because I'm typing in the wrong place. Ratio with, it's still not there though. Quarter, that was much smaller. No ways, that's half. Something is not right. Okay, we might need to, it seems like, do a details with class as well. So this will be 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. Much better. I think now I can go back to, let's try the default again. That's very good. And the rounding, is that not too big? No, that's good, eh? Cool. So let's see who's looking for me. Okay, let's give it a list detail snippet. wondering if I can better order my components. So then I both have the normal top level navigation, but then also I have, I can click on each component to see its details. I think so. Hey? This becomes a lot of files, but I think it's fine. So I want to have a quick look at this thing in dark mode. I wonder if we need some padding. I mean, this is becoming wider and wider, but I don't really have another choice. I think that's fine. Okay. Since it's quite bright where I am now, I'm going to change this back to light mode. Okay, and okay, now let's add some snippets. Card. Oh, sorry. I need to specify that this is. Actually. I mean, that felt natural trying to this is my list details, layouts, stuff. So I'm going to change this. Sorry. To rather use children as the name of the list snippet. And then wherever I list children. Again, it's not, sorry. I don't know why it's switching off screencast mode when I restart VS Code. The setting maybe screencast mode. is what it is. That looks very nice. Mm-hmm. It's better. Row, I guess, row and column. Row, col, grid. Some gaps, please. Okay, now we know that is where we want that class. We can also give a gaps. No, red. We do gaps automatically. But I'm going to give you tailwind merge. I'm going to allow you to specify the class, and that's for that left side. Okay, so this now becomes a tailwind merged class. What we're merging is that, and I'm going to default. Gap 2. That looks good. Okay. Interesting. I think again in the container now. This is nice about using your own components. You see some minor drawbacks. I'm going to go padding 2 on medium, padding 4. Actually, padding 3 on. No, padding 2, but on medium, padding 3. That's the one. Okay, so that's a nice padding 3 and a small screen. Very nice. Okay. Okay, and we also want to now specify the href. Why is it not even, it's not complaining about anything? Something is weird, yeah. List details layout. List details Details, layout, that's all perfect. I want to understand. Oh, I forgot to add that pop. Okay, now this should look better. Layout for layouts. There we go. Now we're getting the complaints, which is good. So this is on /layout. And it's also asking me for the details. Perfect. So I can go at render, sorry, hash, snippet, details. No. We want to render the children. Very cool. And now I want to add some hrefs on these cards. Layout row, layout column, and layout grid. Okay. It's completely, well, it's now minimized my things. Okay. It's such a common pattern though that I think it deserves a prop. Yes. With full boolean. Het jy kos gekry vir lunch? Oh, cool. Nice. No. All of this. Okay, that needs to be merged. Okay, yeah. Okay, never mind, but I do want b dot with full with full. Maybe we always want with full. That's the default. You can rather go with fit if you want. Yep, I think so. So back to my cards, this can now disappear. Cool. Okay, we need that back button now. Okay. That's actually just for ordering, so it doesn't matter. I do want some padding. At least that. Okay, let's add our back button, which will be an icon button. Icon will be MDI back. Wait, don't I have the arrow? I had the arrow. Let's quickly get it. So Iconify is pretty amazing. It's got like every icon you can dream of. And it's so easy to add. I'll show you now. Back. Search for icon. Try and filter by material design first if I can. There we go. Cool. Now go to components, iconify icon. Okay, so it's just called arrow back. I go to my icons and I add a new export const arrow back. It's an SVG. And now I just paste this. Boom. I've got a back arrow. Arrow. What's going on here? Maybe I didn't call it MDI arrow back, which I should. Oh, you know what this? Yeah, this is an icon button. That's href is p.href. Okay. Pretty. I also want a gap between these two. Oh, let's just add a margin to the bottom. Yeah, very nice. Okay. So this entire row must be hidden if we're not in the details view. Okay, so Okay. So if we are not on href, we want to hide that. Okay, but in this case, not on href. We don't care about query parameters or search parameters, but if there's another slash following the href we've provided, then we're not on that href. Yes. Okay. On list view derived by so let current href is page.url dot actually they've got path name. Perfect. So actually I just want to check, does this yes. So if current href starts with this href and it does not start with the current href plus a slash, I think I must do let href p, sorry, phref. Let's do this. Ends with a slash. If it ends with a slash, we just remove the slash. Href slice. Perfect. Then return true, otherwise return false. Okay. And if we are on the list view, then it's fine. If we're not, then this must be hidden. Sorry, I'm talking about the on this row now. List on list view. Otherwise hidden. Sorry, other way around. On the list view, it must be hidden. Okay. I think I'm going to do this. And also in this scenario, I want this to be full width. Otherwise, give me the deals with class. Sorry, man. Hidden and deals with class. Okay. Otherwise, with full. Sorry, I'm being an absolute idiot. It's hidden. Okay, it could have stayed exactly as it was. Perfect. This top one is still merge, but if it's hidden, we want full width. Oh, that's so wrong. Okay. So now it's if it's on the list view, and you want with full. Otherwise, we want that class. Beautiful. Okay, all I need to do now is add some rows. So new folder with a page. Look at that. Okay. I'm getting there. Okay, now we need to do the thing where on mobile, i.e. in this view, this thing stays as is. Oh, it disappears, sorry. This thing must disappear on mobile. Must only be visible on desktop. Both of these must be scrollable. This thing must be scrollable on the right. Let's take a page out of the 3 layout book. Scroll. There we go. Same with this one. Call scroll. This one, right? The entire thing there. Shall we just call it scroll? Yeah. That arrow is a bit far to the right. So let us say P right. I'm missing something. What am I missing? Okay. I think what I'm going to have to do is on this container also override the padding px0. Does that do anything? Where's that padding coming from? Sorry. I think I just need B0. And then I can just apply that rather here. B2, medium, B3. Just means my button is more to the left. Now I can selectively add some margin Y. That is good. Just a little bit of margin left 1, margin left 2. Margin right 2, my bad. Let's add a details heading here. See, that is obviously not correct. Sorry. Padding right 2 and padding left 1. We can even go, and then yeah, medium padding right 3. Actually, sorry, just always do padding right 3. Padding left 1 is fine. Is it? Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. But I'm just going to call this examples. And no need to do that. Maybe we'll stretch. No, that's fine. That is good. No, thank you. Not keen for that refactor. This is fine. Also, then this just becomes layouts. Same here. I need some padding there. I guess. Sorry, man. Can't remember if headline. No, okay, title is smaller. I'm really going to go with title then. Title small. And I think the same here. Title small. Maybe title medium for the top one. Oh yes, let us in our route. This is now we can have some animation where this thing just slides in instead of this abrupt. I'm going to take a minute to play around with that. Transition, slide. Oh, not valid on components. Okay, if you want to be like that. version side. Okay. Not worth it. This is nice and snappy. Okay. If I remove the imports. Okay, next is the mobile thing. Come on, let's go. I need to charge my laptop. Okay. Okay, so now this second container must only show. Sorry. Yes, this is medium hidden. I mean, it's always hidden, but it's just if we on a mobile, I just think on a mobile it's always hidden. Alright? It shows on yes, that's the one I think. So now, oh, this will be the wrong way around. Yes, getting there. Let's just take it away. Cool. So now what we're saying is the left part, no, in this view. But it's anyways always gone, so that's not an issue. We're worried about removing the left part when we are in a mobile, and we are not on the list view. Cool. Okay, so this must now become that plus this thing must be hidden unless we are on desktop. Oh, there we go. And then this right part must, the width must change. Okay, so on list view, it's hidden. Otherwise, it is on a, normally it's with full, but on a medium screen, it is this. So what do we say? Normally with full, but on a medium screen. That's that. Look at this. Okay, on the big screen. Awesome. Okay. I think that's it, right? List detail view, it's working fine. Yeah. Let's commit this feature. List details, layout. Okay, I think I need a coffee. And then the plan is to make this like actually usable as documentation for this component library. So might move some components around, but I think the main thing is going to be this that we have here. I want to duplicate that across all of these. And then instead of just one page with all of them, it's going to be each component has its own card or like sub navigation. If you click on it, then you see the component and then a bunch of different examples like, okay, custom color, justified, whatever, a bunch of examples, and each example then has the corresponding code as well. You can open a menu to see the code. That'll be cool. So it's like quite a big bottom margin. I just want to check that out quickly. Padding 2. So that means we can get rid of this MY2 and maybe just do MT2. Much better. Much better. Cool. I'm thinking someone might want to change what they show in here or styling based on, okay, is it in this view or this view? So I think I must make that a bindable. Like, is this thing opened or not? On list view. Open. I can't think of a nicer word. It's not too verbose and long. Let's do this open boolean. We'll make that bindable. So open is bindable. And the rest we destructure into P. I think this is going to become an effect. What are you complaining about? Oh no, I don't want to return anything. All I want to do is set open, which by default will be false. So open is true. False, open is false. Just kind of see if you go here, like if it will jump. No, absolutely. Now we've got a bindable thing, which I mean, look at this now. I go and I bind it to this, and now I can optionally add some things in here, you know, like hey, oh, I'm doing it the wrong way around. So by default, yeah, it's not open, that's fine. But then this must not just change, so this becomes false, true. And then I must, everywhere I'm using open, just swap around the things. So not open and not open. Same thing here. Oh, yeah, it's not relevant. But no, not relevant. Well, only relevant if you're in the non-open state. Cool. Let's just commit that as well. I also want a section on like using this thing, i.e., okay, if you want to use it, set up your app.html to look like this, set up your app.css like this. And have this theme folder that you copy the themes over from theme builder, and also you can have in this little script theme, which just replaces the RGBs. So what we actually want, I feel I need to write this out, is setup and in that I'll explain everything, theming, yeah, basically how to get started. Okay, so setup, clickables, that's quite important, clickables, inputs, containers, layouts and miscellaneous, but I mean, I don't want 6. I don't want more than 5 navigations. That's also what they recommend. Ironic that the Material Design 3 website itself is broken if you switch between desktop to mobile. Components, navigation, bar, guidelines, 3 to 5. Yeah. Just look at what I have. Clickables. Sorry, clickables. Layout. This deserves its own section, definitely. Okay, I'm just going to join clickables, containers, and input as components, and progress and miscellaneous, all just components. Layout remains its own thing. Container feels like it should fall into layout. Yeah. And fab container. Basically just dialog and menu that remains. Maybe input can also have its own section. So we'll have setup, components, no, let's just do setup, components, and layout. And we can always add other things on later. Case examples, case studies, whatever else. Detailed docs or yeah. Cool. That is the plan. Make this thing usable. But first, coffee. Maybe something to eat quickly. Okay. I'm gonna stop this for now.